Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu Coin on Coinbase Pro. So right here I'm on Coinbase Pro. Along the very bottom you'll see multiple icons. At this point I'm under the pie graph icon. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually deposit money into your account if you haven't already done so. As you can see, I have $5.89 in US dollars at this point that I'm going to be using to purchase Shiba Inu. However, if you don't have money on your Coinbase Pro, just click on deposit and click on USD. And here you'll see multiple options. Could be different for you guys, but I have the option to deposit via my bank account, just via ACH, or I could do a wire transfer. I could also transfer fund that I have from like regular Coinbase. But since I already have money on Coinbase Pro, I'm just going to go back and we're going to buy some Shiba Inu coin. So along the bottom, I'm going to click on the bar graph icon and we're going to, at the very top, let's search for Shiba Inu. So I'm just going to type in SHIB, and right here you'll see at the very top I could buy Shiba Inu coin using US dollars or US dollar T, which is US dollar tethered, I believe, which is a more difficult process, but we're just going to buy Shiba Inu coin with US dollars. So I'm going to click on that at the very top, and right here along the bottom you'll see buy and sell options. So I have $5.89 worth of US dollars, so I'm going to click on buy. And here you could buy via limit order or market order. Now I have a video talking about the difference between a limit order and market order, but a limit order, you basically get to determine what price point you could buy Shiba Inu coin at. So let's say I want to buy it at 0.0000 whatever 68. I could just type it there. However, since I'm buying such a small amount, I don't really care the exact price point that I'm going to be buying it at if I'm just going to be holding it long term. So I'm going to click on limit and select market. Now market order, I'm going to be buying Shiba Inu coin at whatever the current market price is. I'm just going to tell Coinbase, hey, I just want to buy like about $5 worth. So right here, Coinbase actually has a couple options for you. You could buy like 25% of the amount of US dollars you have, or you could buy 50% of the amount of US dollars that you have. At this point, I only have about like $5 or $6. So I'm just going to click on max. And as you can see here, the amount of US dollars I'm going to spend is like $5.86. And I'm going to be paying a 2-cent fee. However, that's going to get me 856,000 Shiba Inu coins. So we're just going to go with it. I'm just going to click on preview order and place buy order. And there we go. The buy order was successfully placed, and let's just go back and see. So at this point, you can see that I have over 856,000 Shiba Inu coin that I purchased with about $5.80 something cents. So that in a nutshell is how you buy Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.